Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Goan Mushroom Chilli Fry, a flavor-packed recipe that turns simple button mushrooms into a delicious dish bursting with flavor. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Mushroom Chilli Fry. This classic Goan favorite combines fresh mushrooms sautéed with onions, tomatoes, capsicum, and green chillies along with traditional Goan spice powder. The result is a semi-dry masala-coated mushroom dish that is slightly spicy, tangy, and full of flavor. So if you enjoy authentic Goan recipes, this delicious dish is perfect for you. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan Mushroom Chilli Fry. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Take 200 grams of button mushrooms, 2 medium-sized onions, and then slice them. 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Cut the tomato into 2 halves. Then cut 1 half lengthwise into 2 and then slice them. Take 1 small size capsicum, or you can use 1 half of a medium sized capsicum. Cut 1 half lengthwise into 2 and then slice them. 2 to 3 medium sized green chilies. Cut the green chili into 2 and then slit them. 8 medium sized cloves of garlic. Cut them very fine. Small bunch of coriander or cilantro leaves. Cut it very fine. Take quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. Half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Half teaspoon of Goan spice powder. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Step 2. Preparing the mushrooms. Wash and clean the mushrooms properly. Now take 1 mushroom and peel its outer skin, the way I have shown, and discard the skin.
Hello everyone! Do check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global, for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. Or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
Also do this for the remaining mushrooms. Once done, they are ready for cutting. Cut the mushrooms into quads if they are medium-sized mushrooms. However, if they are small, then cut them into halves. Mushrooms are ready. Step 3. Preparing the mushroom chilli fry. On medium heat, in an open thick-bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced onions. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, make space in the center of the pan and add the finely cut garlic pieces. Stir everything properly. After a minute, add the slit green chilies and stir. If you want it less spicy, you can add just 2 green chilies. Once the onions have turned slightly golden brown, add the sliced tomatoes. Stir everything properly. After a minute, add the sliced capsicum. Stir everything nicely. After a minute, add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add the Kashmiri red chili powder. Add the cumin or jeera powder. Mix everything nicely. Now add 2 tablespoons of water. Adding little water will prevent the spice powders from burning. After a minute, add the mushrooms. Cook the mushrooms for around 5 minutes. Do not cover the pan as the mushrooms will start releasing some liquid. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. After around 5 minutes, add the Goan spice powder. If you want to learn how to prepare Goan spice powder, refer to our Goan spice powder recipe. You will find the link in the description box, or just comment Goan spice powder and we will send you the link. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything properly. Cook for around 2 minutes. Add very little water if you see anything sticking to the pan. Check for salt and add if required. After around 2 minutes, garnish with finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything properly. Delicious Goan Mushroom Chilli Fry is ready. Enjoy it hot with fish curry and rice, or you can also have it with bread or chapati, or it can also be enjoyed as a starter. Do share this simple and easy to prepare recipe with your friends and family members. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.